This is a small demo regarding how to schedule a class. So to schedule a class, the first step would be going to the Teach tab. Under the Teach tab, you'll have the Schedule a Class option. So once you click on the Schedule a Class option, you will be directed to this page. The first thing that you need to do here is fill the title of the class. Make sure the title you choose is appropriate to the class you're going to be conducting. Once you've filled in the title for the class, the next thing that you need to fill in is the date and the time of the class. The date of the class would be when you want to conduct the class. Let's say in our case it's 30th. Once you've filled in the date, you have to choose the time you want to conduct the class on. Let's say you've chosen 3 p.m. for the time of your class. Now remember, the title, date and time is mandatory for you to fill in order to schedule a class. Once you've filled in the details, the next option here would be keywords. Now keywords are basically required if you're conducting a public class on WizIQ. The keywords help you in searching the class on the WizIQ platform. Let's say in our case, the keywords are WizIQ, WizIQ demo. Now these keywords are basically going to be helping in order to search for our class. Once you've filled in the keywords, the next option is About the class. Now this option is basically required if you're conducting a public class on WizIQ. We ask you to write a little brief regarding what all are you going to be teaching in the class, that is a little introduction to what all you're going to be taking up in the classroom. So here I will add the information I want to share regarding my class with the students. Once I've filled in the information, the next step here would be who can attend this class. Now there are two kinds of classes you can conduct online on WizIQ. One is a public class and one is a private class. A public class is a class which is stationed on the WizIQ platform and is open for anyone and everyone to attend, whereas a private class is a class where only those students can enter the class whom you invite for your classroom. So in our case here, we are conducting a public class. If we were conducting a private class, we would have gotten the option to record this class or not to record this class. So like I said, we're conducting a public class. The next option here is the Set Class Fee option. Now this option is only available with the premium members on WizIQ. If you're a premium member on WizIQ, you can set a class fee. Let's say $10 each student for a classroom. So every student who will register for your class will first of all have to pay these $10 to enter your class. So once you've set in the class fee, the next option here is the class duration. By default, it's always on 60 minutes. But if you want to schedule a class for let's say 30 minutes, you can do that as well. But do remember, the minimum time limit for a class is 30 minutes. The next is the maximum attendees. By default again, it will always be 999. But if you do not want to conduct a public class where you want more than 30 students, you can change the seat limit as well. The next option here is to show attendees on the class page. Again, you can choose whether you want to show the attendees on your class page or not. Again, the next option would be language of instruction. You can choose the language of instruction according to your preference. In my case, it's English. The next here is the class type, whether you want a webcam and audio class or an only audio class. Allow attendees to enter your class without sign up. Now again, this feature is available for the premium members alone. They can allow students to enter their classroom without signing up on WizIQ. You can also co-brand your virtual classroom if you're a premium member on WizIQ. You can use your organization logo or your company logo in the virtual classroom and hence co-brand it accordingly. Once you fill in all the information, you simply need to click on Schedule and Continue. You will get a green confirmation tick like this telling you that your class has been successfully scheduled. So this is how you schedule a class on WizIQ.